Oh my goodness, I done messed up this damn girl's lace. She done already paid me, now I'm gonna have to pay her back? Oh hell no. I went down to my local fabric store, grabbed me some invisible thread, got me some beading needles, the thinnest ones I found. See, they're thin. Thin, very thin. The thinnest. So, look at the hole. You see the culprit? See her? Yes, that is the hole. So what I'm gonna do after threading my needle is, as you see, there are very small holes that the lace is made up out of. So what I'm gonna do is get really close to the hole and use the holes that are closest to the hole to sew it together, if that makes sense. And I'm just gonna go through and go through again and go through and go through, and every so often you'll see me lock it off. So you can watch me do this as I tell you what happened here. So my client, she calls me up like, hey girl, got my lace in the mail. I need you to fix it up for me. This lace is way too light for me. I need you to tint the lace, put a band in it, plug the hairline, make her saucy for me. Cool, no problem, drop her off. But the thing is, she also told me she wasn't in a rush, which is not a good thing for me. I had gotten really busy that week, which is sometimes, what happens with the situation, such as being a hairstylist. And yeah, that's what happened. I got busy and this lace got, put aside, unfortunately, for a couple of days. Okay, about a week and a half. So then she calls me and she's like, hey girl, she ready? I'm like, yeah, come through. Of course she's ready, figure till you make it. So I had everything there, went ahead and tinted the lace, sewed in the band, plucked the hairline. At this point, I put her on the wig head, added the nice juices, got her ready to dry, and put a pin in her and ran out the door. We left the wig under the dryer. Cool. I usually do that. I was only leaving for like 10 minutes, running to the beauty supply store for another client. All right, so now I come back and my client's there. I'm going to take the wig off and show her her tinting job. She loves it. Cool. No doubt. But as I'm going through, I see this damn hole. And I'm like, oh my goodness, there is a hole in your lace, girl. There's a hole. But don't worry. I'm going to figure out how to fix it. So that's what I did. And this is where we're at. And just like magic, it's a, now you see it. Now don't situation. I was blessed. Thanks for watching.